know me, know I'm useless with my hands. If I can play a piano, but I can't put up a flower box or anything that's like handyman related. So I'm back at Stodels, and the guys from Polio have said, listen, we're going to show you a couple of things, but today they're going to show me how to put up a fence. The pole's got to be straight and the panel's got to stay on. So yeah, let's go take a look. Right, so the first thing you've got to check out is your fence panel. Right, we've got to measure the panel, and it is 2.1. Right, we're only going to be putting up one panel. So we'll put the poles 1.8 meters apart. But if you're doing more panels, you're going to go center to center. And now we dig. Right, we're going to go 600 deep, and you can use the width of your spade as the guide for the size of the hole. Right, if you're ever unsure how to do it, just read on the bag. Just read. Yeah, read quickly, please. Before you put the pole in the hole, you've got to put some stone down there for drainage. You need to be level with the gravel, eh? Make it level. Keep the pole in place. Basically pack a couple of bricks or some stone around it, so that's going to keep it straight up. You've also got stays that you can put to stop it going. Poles are in place. Now it's time to put on the panel. Another thing to look out for is that your panel is also level. We used to use these posi drives. Well, not anymore, because we got the new German one, which is now in stock at the pole yard. So I took a plank off so that the screw we used to attach the panel is actually headed. Now we're going to put the plank back.